Hi, this is Dollar Day Trader, my trading recap for Friday, February 7th, 2020. Well, I definitely don't like trading on Fridays for the most part because I haven't been successful, and today was no other difference on a Friday where I overtraded, as you can kind of see on my screen here. So difficult out the gate, and I really need to improve my discipline on Friday. For the most part of the week, Monday through Thursday, I was pretty happy. I liked the trading I was doing. I liked the risk management. And it seems like just everything went out the window today, starting with Pinterest, P-I-N-S. So I was looking at the pre-market, and I really had created this really strong long bias, and I went long here in the first minute. So I broke rule number one, is to trade the first minute. I like to wait in this minute number 2 or 3 typically, and I went long at 26.92, and then just immediately I was waiting, thought this would bounce, and at this point I'm thinking, okay, I should have gotten out. I remember thinking to myself, like, what are you doing here? You're below VWAP. You had this flush downward. I did not. I held on to my bias too long, and that was a mistake from the get-go, and then it flushed down here, so I didn't cover till 26.25. So that was pretty horrible. And then I continued to my long bias. Okay, they were just kind of picking up some bids here. Now we're going to turn the corner and 26.06, and then risk management got a little better at 25.85. But that's just pretty much the rest of the day. I don't want to go over all the many over trades I'd taken, but once I was over 3, over 4 for my day, as you can see here, next minute here at 9:37, I think I went long and I covered. Or at this point, actually, I think I flipped my position and went short, actually, and then I just got out because it was a little indecision. I didn't feel comfortable with it, so I was really just chasing the stock from the get-go. So we can see here, if you didn't catch that first couple minutes, and normally without looking at having a bias in the pre-market, I would have definitely have been a reverse ABCD pattern. That I don't know, I was trying something new to really just try to see what the stock's gonna come out to, and I was very wrong. So that was my trade on Pinterest, and I did trade a little bit on Uber on my sim account. My P&L shows what would seem like a pretty good day, but in reality it's not. I lost money in my live account, and that's not fun because was trying to go through this month very minimal risk, and I did lose say $50 there and $20 there, so I definitely lost discipline in that regard, separate from just the risk management perspective, from just the amount of money I was willing to risk for today. So anyway, back to the drawing board, of course. So 4 out of 5 days, I can go with that when I look at it by week. I know this whole week I wasn't trading live, so monetarily wise, it's a negative week when you just look at the live count. But overall, that's not the point. It's more about how did I trade well, and I would say I'd give myself a C+ for the week. I still felt pretty good in my trades the rest of the week, or beginning of the week here. Only had a couple trades most of the days. Pretty good risk management. Today, like I said, it went out the window, so that's fine. I have one of these kind of days once every 2-3 weeks, maybe 2 weeks. I think it happens a little more often than that. So definitely want to improve on that. I know I'm not perfect, and it's okay to have red days. That is fine. That's part of the deal. You just have to minimize those red days, which I'm aware of for sure. I don't mind having red day, but I do mind how I overtraded. So that's still an issue that I have to fix. So nothing wrong with red days, but when you change your philosophy in your setups and in your system, that's a problem. That was what I did poorly today, was change my system. Took too many shares, had too strong of a bias when not looking and reading what the price action in the chart's telling me. So anyway, that's my recap for the day. Never like to leave go red on a Friday to end the week and have this carry over the weekend, but just got to go back studying, reviewing trades, review my trades, reading, watching videos, learning from other traders, and it's part of the grind, which I actually don't mind. I actually like the journey aspect of the day trading, so that part's fine. I'm not too disappointed overall because I do feel comfort in the majority of the week trading well, and that's what's more important is the long-term behavioral change in trading. And I think overall, like I said, I give myself a C+. So hope everyone else had a much better day than I did, and hope everyone has a good weekend, and I'll talk to you next week.